Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your net banking HDFC Bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search net banking HDFC Bank login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to netbanking.hdfcbank.com. Once the page has been loaded up, enter your customer ID or your user ID. Then click to continue. Then enter your key. Then enter your passkey. Then you should be able to access your HDFC Bank account. If you have forgot your customer ID, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Customer ID. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.